Hey everyone, if you want to remove your Ring floodlight camera from its mount safely, then this video will guide you the correct steps to do it properly in 2026. Now, before touching the camera, always cut the power. You need to go to your home's main electrical panel and first of all, switch off the breaker connected to the floodlight. Do not skip this step as the camera is wired directly to electricity. You can also double check by making sure that the lights don't turn on. Ring floodlight cameras are locked with a small screw. So you need to simply look underneath the camera and locate the security screw. You can use a screwdriver in order to loosen it. This is going to unlock the camera from the mounted bracket. After that, once it is unlocked, you can remove the camera body. For that, you just have to gently hold the camera and slide it upward, or you need to pull it outward depending on your model. Do it slowly, do not force it as wires are still connected behind. The camera should come free from the bracket. Now you will see the wires connected to the back. So you need to unscrew the wire caps and separate them carefully. Just make sure that the wires don't touch each other. If needed, you can use the tape in order to cover the ends for safety purpose. If you want to remove the entire mount, you need to use a screwdriver in order to remove the screws holding the bracket to the wall. Support the bracket while unscrewing so it doesn't fall. So this will completely detach the mounting base. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.